Good morning. So, welcome to our last week of remote learning. And remember what I said this morning, it's this week represents a bridge from remote learning to our return on Monday. And it's very important that you continue to work hard as you have done so. So a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Let's have a look at what those days might mean to us. So Monday, M, motivation. That's what you've got to dig deep for now to make sure that you're giving your all in this week online. Yes, motivation. T, Tuesday, tough. It has been tough, you have been tough. Yes, so make sure you continue to be tough. A little bit of inner strength, a little bit of determination. W, Wednesday, win. We are going to beat this pandemic as a country and as a school and individually. So make sure we continue to work hard in order to win. Thursday, T, another T, Thursday, together. We will win together. So remember when we come back, it's going to present its own challenges of getting on with each other and sharing. So I've already mentioned that, but we will win together. And finally, Friday, F, finish. We can see the end in sight, but we can't relax. We have got to make sure that we get right through to the finish. So work hard this week. Dig out all the school uniform you need for Monday, and I will see you then. Thank you.